Good day po, teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news na updates and free learning resources. So ngayon po bibigyan lang po tayo ng quick update about po sa performance-based bonus 2023 of other schools and universities na meron po tayo. So again, ito po ay based sa DBM SARO na nilalabas po ng Department of Budget and Management. So ano pong mga state and universities meron na pong SARO para po ang mabilis na pag-release po ng kanilang performance-based bonus. So punta po tayo sa list. Ayan po, DBM SARO. Check po natin. Then click lang po natin dito po sa search bar kung ano pong mga agencies na meron na pong SARO. So, type ko lang po. So, nung Friday po, teachers and other government employees, meron na pong SARO. Nung February 28, Friday, from Region 2, ang dalawa pong state universities and colleges, yung isa po ay from Region 6. Also from the state universities and colleges. So, first we have the Cagayan State University. Nakalagay po rito ay to cover the requirements for the fiscal year 2023 performance-based bonus pursuant to EO number 80 series of 2012. No? So, meron na po silang SARO for their PBB. Next po is from Region 6. Again, under po ng state universities and colleges, Carlos Hilado Memorial State University ay meron na po silang SARO for their performance-based bonus. At ito po ay magbibigay po ng co-signal from their agency na mabigyan na po yung funds para po ma-release na po yung kanilang performance-based bonus. So, congratulations po sa dalawang state university na to. Sana po tuloy-tuloy po and sana rin po ay lumabas na rin po ang scorecard ng DepEd at malaman po natin kung tayo po ay eligible for PBB and hopefully ay ma-release na rin po agad ang ating SARO in different regions. So, yun po muna ang quick update. So, please subscribe po for more DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So, maraming salamat po.